Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by positioning yourself and the laptop near the router to get a clean baseline. Make sure you join the exact SSID and not a guest network. Next, quit bandwidth hogs like cloud sync, large downloads, and video streams so they do not skew results. Open your browser or a lightweight speed app. Keep Ethernet disconnected for a true Wi-Fi measurement. Once done, note signal strength and the network name, because consistent conditions matter for accurate comparison. Now perform tests to capture real-world numbers. Run a reputable speed test, check your ISP's diagnostic tool if available, and open the router status page for link speed. Run 3 consecutive measurements and record download, upload, latency, jitter, and any packet loss. Variability tells you about consistency versus a single spike. Make sure to test both 2, 4, and 5 GHz bands and try a closer and farther position. So you finally analyze. Compare measured speeds to your plan and the router's link rate to determine if the limitation is Wi-Fi or the ISP. If results are poor, reboot the router and laptop, update the laptop wireless drivers and router firmware, and change congested channels or switch bands. If still slow, plug in via Ethernet to confirm ISP throughput versus wireless problems. One troubleshooting tip: if speeds fluctuate wildly, reset to defaults and test after a fresh restart to remove configuration variables.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.